Today, we're diving into a super practical guide, how to use Uber in 2024. If you've never used Uber before, or if you're curious about any new features this year, stick around, this is for you. So, first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. First thing first, head to the App Store if you're on iPhone, or Google Play Store if you're on Android, right? Search for Uber and download the app. Once installed, open it up and let's move on to the next step. Create an account, and basically can use Apple or Google to create your account, or you can add your email and password manually. Uber might also send you a verification code. Just type that in to confirm your account. Now, next, add your payment method. So basically, if you want to add your payment method, you need to act like you're gonna pick a ride, all right? Or basically book a ride. So I'm gonna just go ahead and select my ride, and you're gonna see right here the payment method, and you're gonna see Apple Pay. And from here, you're gonna choose the payment method. You're gonna add Apple Pay or cash, or add payment method. You could go ahead into the PayPal if you want to add PayPal and start the process of basically linking your Uber to your PayPal, or add your credit card or debit card manually. Okay, so this is how you add the payment method. You act as if like you're gonna book a ride, and from there you're gonna be able to add your payment method. All right, and next, enter your pickup location. Okay, once your account is set up, you're ready to request your first ride. Start by entering your pickup location. So I'm gonna select where to, and if your location wasn't the correct location, you can just go ahead and add it manually, right? Just tap the pin and basically tap it manually, or you can just go back and click your account at the bottom right, click settings, and then click home right here, and you can set location on map. And from there, you're gonna be able to set your specific location, okay? And then hit done from here. And now this is your new location, right? Next, what you're gonna do, choose your ride option. Uber isn't one size fits all. You will see different ride options based on your needs. So if you click where to, and you want to go to Terminal 3, you're gonna see a different or various kind of rides, right? You got the Comfort, Uber XL, Uber X Saver, Uber X, and you have the Popular or the Uber X Priority, right? Or Uber Pool if you're looking to save some cash by sharing the ride. Tap on the option that works for you, and the app will show you the estimated fare and arrival times. And then after you select your ride, you can of course select the payment method, and afterwards click choose Comfort or choose any different type of ride. And then you're gonna track your ride. While you're waiting, you could track your driver's location in real time, and you can check it out from here after you book the ride, or you can go back and click the activity, and you're gonna be able to see your ride from here, right? And you're gonna collect that specific ride, and you're gonna be able to track them in real time. And basically sit back and relax. Enjoy the ride. You can follow the route on the app if you're curious, or just sit back and let the driver handle it. If you need to change the destination or add a stop, you can do that directly in the app by clicking right here the activity, and you're gonna see that you have no upcoming trips. Instead, you're gonna see your ride. Go ahead and click your ride, and from there you're gonna be able to change it to add stops. All right, and just little tips. Always check the driver's details before getting in. Uber also has a built-in emergency button if you ever feel unsafe. You can schedule a ride in advance for extra inconvenience by clicking right here the pick up later, right? To basically reserve for extra peace of mind. You can schedule it for later, and keep an eye out for promo codes or discounts in the app. And that's it. Uber makes getting around super easy once you get the hang of it. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and do not forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in that next one. Safe travels.